Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to manage multiple accounts on Ledger Live. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Ledger Live application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Ledger Live if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check out what we have in front of us. In the bottom of the screen, as you can see, we have your wallet, we have the earn, we have the discover and your ledger. And also we have, as you can see, here we can send, buy, receive, etc, etc. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and manage multiple accounts on Ledger Live. So it is quite straightforward. So first of all, when you install the application, add your account, you need to label your accounts. So to keep things organized, you can label each account with a unique name. This is especially useful if you're managing multiple devices or different types of cryptocurrencies. Then you can go and switch between the accounts. You can easily switch between accounts by selecting the desired account from the Accounts tab. Manage multiple devices, connect the device you want to manage and enter the PIN. Go to Add Accounts and look for the crypto apps installed on the device. Then, of course, you have to have security measures, regularly update your Ledger Live app and firmware on Ledger devices. Use passphases and multi-signature setups for enhanced security. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.